with Dr. Chris Pernell, a public health physician. Doctor, thank you for being here. I don't think it's any coincidence that the first two cases in New York, the first two people to receive the vaccine are people of color, as well as the doctor who administered the vaccine. How important is it to essentially, for folks to be able to see people in that position there, people of color, accepting the vaccine and really supporting it? They are holding the banner at this point.
Representation matters. That's the most succinct way that I can put it. Having that social and cultural fluency is going to be paramount in this campaign to spread information, spread truth, and spread the facts. Look, the academic and medical complex and healthcare more broadly, they have the onus and the responsibility to demonstrate trustworthiness because of centuries of either medical exploitation or medical experimentation, and because of ongoing healthcare disparities that you heard in the previous segment, whether it's lack of access, whether it's implicit bias interfering with provider and patient interactions, that's a heavy burden that needs to be lifted. And that burden needs to be lifted first and foremost by institutions, because institutions carry power. Likewise, we need those of us who know the science, who know the data, who are trusted in our community and can demonstrate that accountability to step up and step forward to the plate and to say, this is why I'm comfortable getting vaccinated. This is what the science has shown us to date. And to share our stories. It's going to be so important that communities that have been devastated, like Black and Latino communities, that we have an opportunity to equally exercise our agency by telling our stories. And in telling our stories, you're going to begin to see that kinetic energy where people take a pause and they reflect and they say, okay, maybe some of the misinformation and the disinformation that I've heard, maybe I should dispel that, and maybe I should choose to believe those who are trustworthy.